guys, it's Luke, and today I went to the store and bought some goodies for us. Alright, I got this new Pokemon Go box, which I'm really excited because Mewtwo's on it. Then I got this mystery box, and it could have a vintage pack inside, which is very rare. A very rare pack. So we're opening this first. Let me get my handy dandy pencil out so I could open it. Gengar and Pikachu sitting there. Alright, time to open this, guys. Okay. Alright. I don't know how to open these. This is my first ever time opening one. So, I don't know how. Alright. I'm gonna grab a pack out. Guys. Alright. First pack. Darkness Ablaze. A shot at that Charizard, I believe. Alright, here we go. Fetchling, I think. Feebas, Sins is a T, Cloughant, Corvisire, I think, and, ooh, nice. All right, where's my handy dandy sleeves? Slurves, and Oranguru. I'm sorry if I say stuff wrong in this video. I just got done with that 200 pack opening, which was very hard. And oh, code card. I'm trying always to give you guys the code cards. All right, that was the first pack. That's a pretty hard pack to get, I'm gonna be honest. I think, okay? My first time opening these ever. So, if you like me opening this mystery box, then comment down below. Oh, there's my binder. My binder's on the table. All right, second pack. Oh, forgot the code card. That means something good. A chilling region. I like calling it rain. I think it's chilling region. Or it's, I don't know. But I like calling it region. I think it's region, not rain. I'm sorry if I get that wrong. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, I don't know what the best card is in the set. Let's look at this first. Alright, that means at least a holo, remember. Alright. Golett. Blah, Grookey. Mareep. A Thundurus and... oh, Gardevoir. So, you see that? They're not making... that's supposed to be a fairy type. If I'm wrong, then I'm sorry. Oops, I put this one there. I think it's supposed to be a fairy type. So, yeah. Alright, so my favorite Pokemon is Mewtwo, so that's why I'm really excited for the Pokemon Go box. And I've never opened it. Ready? Last pack. Banger? Nah, Fusion Strike. Alright. Let's see. Fusion Strike. Could you redeem us from these 3 bad pulls and give us the Mew Remax? Oh no. Alright, guys. Here we go. Gloomy. Blah blah blah. Stuckle. Muna. And on Electros. Alright, nothing in the mystery box. Let's see if Mewtwo, the best Pokemon of all time, could redeem us. And guys, I'm trying to get a Mewtwo stuffed animal. Like Pikachu and Gengar. Got my handy dandy pencil. Alright, so I just wanted to look at the sheet. You guys could skip this part if you don't want to look at the sheet and you know what's inside of it. If you do want to look, I will be showing you. I hope we could actually pull a Mewtwo. That'd be sick. Alright, let me just look inside. Oh, Mewtwo's there. Mewtwo's there! Mewtwo's there! Ooh, something. Wonder what that is. Alright. I'm just gonna go to the last page because that's where all the stuff are at. Oh, there is a Mewtwo V-Star. Oh my god. Wait, where is it? There. And then all the golds. There's a Mewtwo V-Star! Yes! All the Pokemon cards have Pokemon Go. Dragonite V-Star. They have Mewtwo. I'll tell you how much V-Stars. Radiant. Guys, this might be my new favorite set. I think there's 2 V-Stars in the whole set. Oh, Mewtwo V. Art, alternate art. Dragonite V-Star Rainbow. Let's get the opening. All right. Oh my god. Mewtwo V-Star is going to be in this. I love these. I totally forgot about this. Look at this. This is beautiful. I love you, Mewtwo. This is beautiful. I'm keeping it in there. My new favorite sleeves, the Mewtwo sleeves. I know I'm overreacting on all of these. This is amazing. All right, code card. Time to get into this bad boy. The packs and the Mewtwo V-Star that we're gonna pull. All right, I've never opened these. Oh, we got a Charmander that says Pokemon Go on it. Look at that, that's so cool. Watch, Mewtwo V-Star right here, guys. Mewtwo V-Star. Watch it. Charmander. They all have the Pokemon Go signs. That's like Bulbasaur, Pidove, Margicat, a Metal, I don't know, and a Sylveon. Nice, that was a hit. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to buy more of these Pokemon Go stuff because it has Mewtwo in it. With that sleeve, didn't sleeve it with Mewtwo because it's not a Mewtwo. Got the V-Star logo. I wonder if that's the new stuff in every single pack. Wait, the energies? Let's see. Nope, energies still exist. They're not making fairy types anymore, I don't think. Oh, these pack artworks look so cool, guys. This is the one where we pull Mewtwo V-Star. Watch, we're not gonna pull it here, and then we're gonna pull it in the next one. And I'm gonna be so sad I didn't call it. Bulbasaur, Onyx. Oh my god. Slowpoke, Lapras, and another Lapras. Back-to-back Laprases. Alright. It's going in the Mewtwo sleeve. Lapras is an honorary Mewtwo. No, it's not. Alright, there it is, the Lapras. Where do I put this? I'll put it on top of my beautiful Mewtwo V Full Art. Oh no. Guys. Alright. Let me scoot in my chair because this is getting... Oh, I hit my back. Comment down below if you open these and pull the Mewtwo. Okay, guys? Because I'll trade you. Pikachu! Alright, I'm just gonna... Alolan Rattata. Bidoof. Tamukazu, love the artwork. And a Zapdos! Oh my god, this looks so cool. Guys, look at this. Is every single one just a holo? Literally. Right. I need a Mewtwo. Mewtwo, please. Oh. This is probably going to be my new favorite set since there's a Mewtwo V-Star. Alright guys, I'll make you a deal. If this hits like 10 likes, then I will buy another one of these boxes and open them. Now we're all, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Ivysaur and a Blastoise. Hello, why are all of these so cool? Oh no. I only have a few packs left to pull Mewtwo V-Star. Alright, guys. Watch me pull it on the last pack. Charmeleon. No Charizard. We have yet to pull Charizard V-Star. Guys. So, one time I had a, here, I'll tell you when I open. So I had a box of Lucario V-Star, the box. Oh, March Cap. And me and my friend were opening it and I just pulled a Venusaur that looks sick. And so we were doing a pack battle. This was not on YouTube. Just saying. Now all we need is the Charizard. I don't even know if there is one. So I was opening it with him. And we were doing a pack battle, yeah. Let's see how much packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway done. There's 10 packs. Alright. We gotta do this, guys. We gotta pull it. We haven't gotten a single V or Mewtwo V-Star yet. We have to pull it. Guys, we pull it. Yes. I don't know. Alright, so we were opening it and then he pulled a Rainbow Rare V-Star Shaman. And he won, of course. EVV. I don't know why I said that. And no! No! Mewtwo V-Star! Oh my god, no way, no way, no way! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mewtwo V-Star! I can't believe I just pulled this. Oh my god. I'm shaking. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my God, that pack was fire. Let me get over all this so I could look at this. Oh my God, look at that, B. Oh my God. Wow. And this booster box can't get any better. I can't believe I pulled this. Oh my God. All right. If we pull another one, I'm gonna have the same reaction. I'm just gonna say there's 0% I pull another one. Maybe a little bit more percentage I pull another one. I will get all these names correct in this pack. Ant Bomb, Numel, Bulbasaur, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, I think, Squirtle, and oh, Dragonite V. That looks sick. That's a sick artwork. Nice. Dragonite V is a good one to say. I'm not freaking out because I'm tired from freaking out, but I will do it. Ah! Alright, I wish I got that in the Mewtwo pack. That would have been funny. Alright. 0% chance. I mean, there could be a little. Oh my God. No way. What if we pull both the V-Stars in this? There's like 2, I think. I don't know. Slowpoke, Onix, Charmander, Bidoof, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, another Lapras Hollow. I'm tired. I don't know why I'm tired. I didn't have a rough day or anything. I'm just tired from freaking out because that's my favorite card ever, and I just got the V-Star. No doubt. Woo woo! If you guys like that, comment down below, please. Because I will only do it if you guys like it. If this gets 50... Alright. Onix, EVV, Charmander. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. I see the gold. Alright, we saw the gold. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys it. And then you guys are gonna look at it. I'm not gonna see it until the end of the video. Ready? All right. Got the sleeve. I'm doing it. What did we get? Oh, I feel texture. All right. My eyes are closed. Clothes? What? I will not look at it. Am I putting it in the sleeve? If this is like the wrong card. All right, I see no gold on the table, so I'm just gonna assume that's the right card. I can't believe we got that. I'm gonna show myself this card at the end of the video. Alright, I'm gonna just put it right there. No, right there, because I know you guys are gonna be like, hey, he saw it, he saw it, he saw it. Alright. Because I did not. EVV. I don't know why I say that. I'm sorry. Bidoof and a Gyarados Hollow. That's a nice thick boy. No, I'm just kidding. It's thin. All right, nice Gyarados. Gyarados. Can't see your eyes, only your mouth. What I could say. And this is the end of the video. That means I get to see Egg Incubator. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. We literally got, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We literally got all of this. All right, I'm just gonna open this Mewtwo. I can't believe I got that. The Mewtwo, that looks so cool. All right, sleeve it up, and then we'll do a Pokemon review, what I got. We got the Gyarados Hollow, Lapras Hollow, Dragonite V, which is sick, Mewtwo V-Star. I can't believe I got that. We got the Venusaur Hollow, Blastoise Hollow, Zapdos Hollow, Sylveon Hollow, Lapras Hollow again, Mewtwo V full art, and the Egg Incubator. I'm thinking in my head, like, if that's like, is that the one Mewtwo V-Star? I think there's only one gold Mewtwo V-Star. I meant gold Mewtwo. I wish that there was a Snorlax V-Star. Right, I can't believe I didn't get any rated Pokemon. Oh, there's a Mewtwo V. I'm gonna have to open more to get that. I think there's only two. There's 1, 2, 3 Mewtwo V-Stars. 1 Mewtwo V full art, alternate art. 2 Dragonite V-Stars, the normal and the rainbow. Mewtwo V-Star, rainbow, and gold. We're gonna have to get those 2. And yeah, that's basically, there's only 2 V-Stars. I can't believe that. Literally. I mean, counting their rainbows and their gold. I thought it was gonna be the gold Mewtwo. All right, guys. You gotta like and subscribe on this video for me to open more Pokemon Go and mystery boxes. If we reach 10 likes, I'll buy more of those. And if we reach at least 15 likes, that's a big one, we get these. 1 more of these to open. All right, guys, goodbye.